next question is find the roots of the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now first and split these middle term. First and last, what is the product? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now split these middle terms. How we can split it? I will write it as 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus root 6 and minus root 6, it will become minus 2 root 6, which is the middle term. And if I do the product, minus root 6 into minus root 6, minus into minus plus, and root 6 into root 6, it will become 6. So this one and this one both are equal. So it is satisfied. Now move on to the next step. What should I take common? Can I write 3 as root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3. And root 6, how can I write root 6? I can write as 2 into 3, which means root 2 into root 3. Here it is root 3 is there, and here also it is root 3 is there. So I'm going to take common as root 3x. Then what will be the remaining terms? Root 3x minus root 2 is the common one. Now here 2 is there. We can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. And here root 6, here it is already there, root 2 into root 3. So I will take minus root 2 as common. Then what will I get? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Right? And this is one term, this is one term. Now I'll take root 3x minus root 2 as common. Then what is the remaining term? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. I will write it here clearly. Root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Am I right? Yes. Now find the x value. How we can find? By separating the terms. Page. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, and root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Here the x value is root 2 divided by root 3, and also here the x value is root 2 divided by root 3. So both the values are same, which is root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. This is a quadratic equation, so we will write it 2 times. This is the way we will find out the roots from factorization, by factorization. Full video link is in the description. Thank you. This is Sunhera signing off.